Hello, my name is Sarah Fowler, and this is my introduction for photography. I am a senior here at CSU. I'll be graduating in May 2023. My major is journalism and media communications, and I also am getting a minor in criminal justice and criminology. My future career path is to be a graphic designer, which I've been focusing on for around the past year and a half or so. And I just feel like photography is an important part of that. So I wanted to expand my knowledge some more. And a fun fact about me is that my 22nd birthday was yesterday. And for the camera that I am using for this semester is going to be a Canon EOS Rebel T6 with a 18 to 55 millimeter lens. And I am looking forward to a great semester. Thank you.